Hey guys, today I am trying to do a little bit different get ready with me and give you a little bit of a personal note and why I chose to become an influencer. So, in a few clips later, you will see that my mother is with us at the park. A little bit of backstory on my mother. She has only one arm. She had osteosarcoma at the age of 16, and the only way to survive it was for her to amputate her arm. Now, me and my siblings were born, she's never made us feel like she's handicapped or she can't do something because of her arm. However, unfortunately, just due to some of the things that happened in her past, she and I have not had the best relationship. But I am so gifted because when my daughter was born, God gave us the opportunity to work on our relationship. And I'm just happy to see where this journey takes us. I tried this little trick, failed, and this is the fit, guys. Look at my vent. It's ratchet, it's falling. But yeah, we're on our way to the park and getting in the car. I had to stop by Sonics because it was hot, bought everybody some drinks. My hands were too full to show it. Jordan going up and down playing, and my mother is sitting down with her boyfriend, and these mushrooms my daughter absolutely loves, guys.
High five. Here you are.
High five. Ooh, goodness. And then we go to the butterfly. We do a little bit of climbing and all. And she just had a blast today. She hugged a little girl. She was just so much better socially. Bye.